Welcome back, children. Today also we are going to do some interesting topic in GK. So now, which picture is this? Can you tell me? This is a picture of night time, right? And what you can see in the sky? Beautiful stars and moon in the sky. And during the night, what we do? We do our prayer, we thank you God for the whole day, and then we start our dinner, we finish our dinner, and then we all go to sleep. Not only us, the whole earth, the birds, the animals, the trees, flowers, everyone goes to sleep, everyone takes rest for the next morning. And in the next early in the morning, now the sun comes out, and in the which direction we can see the sun? In the east side. And when the sun comes out, the whole earth feels sweet light, and we can look at the beautiful amazing color of the sun. So what is the color of the sun? It is yellow. It is very bright yellow. Sun gives us warmth, and with this warmth all trees can make their food. We get lights, and all the nature wakes up early in the morning. Birds start chirping in the trees, flowers starts blooming, fruit comes out from the flowers, new trees they start growing. So the whole nature wakes up. But children, the sun is very hot, and the summer's time, the scorching heat, we need to do something. Wow! Which picture is this? Sun is wearing a sunglass. Yes, I am also talking about the same thing. The sun is wearing a sunglass, and with that sunglass, what the sun is saying us, or what message it is trying to give us, that if you are going out in hot summer, if the weather is very sunny, we all should wear a sunglass, because sunglass protects our eyes from the scorching heat of the sun. Oh, now the sun is very happy. You know why the sun is happy? The sun is happy because we all are listening, we all are looking at it, and the birds also singing songs. The flowers started blooming. So, seeing all these beautiful things in nature, the sun is also very happy. Are you happy? I think so. You all are very happy. Now let us see what pictures are these. These are picture of park. And what we can see in this park? In this park there are lots and lots of trees. Look at the different color of the trees. The leaves are of different colors, light green, yellow, deep green, and sometimes not here, but in the other part of the world, in the foreign countries, even we see there are some red color leaves also. And it is so beautiful to see this bright morning, the picture of a park. Do you children, do you love the park? Can you see? It is so beautiful. And you know one thing, what we can see in this park? Sun is there, benches are there, different kinds of rides are there, but one thing is very important, and that is the picture of the trees. Do you love looking at the nature? Yes, all around us is green in color. We should love nature. Nature is our best friend. Why nature is our best friend? First, let us take a deep breath. Yes, then breathe out. What you are breathing in? It is called oxygen. Tree gives us oxygen, and without that we cannot live. Animals cannot live, we cannot live, so we all need oxygen to live. Without breathing, can we alive? Can we be alive? No. So to breathe we need oxygen, and trees gives us oxygen. Not only this, trees gives us shade also. If you go under the tree, you will feel that the shade of the tree is cool, and we feel really good for that. Not only this, the tree is the shelter for many birds and many animals. Look into the next pictures. Lovely birds, they are sitting on the branches of the tree and enjoying the nature in the blossom flowers. See the pictures with beautiful flowers and fruits which we get from trees. Not only fruits and flowers, our mama cooks yummy food for us, and the rice we eat, the pulses we eat, whatever we eat, we get many things from plants. Like mama use spices, mama even use oils for cooking, right children? And not only for cooking, we use oil in our hair, we use oil in for different types of works. So these also we get from trees. Not even oil, we get oil from the coconut tree, mustard seeds, and then sunflower plant. Not only oil from the trees, we also get jutes from the trees. With the help of jute, we can make different kinds of bags and ropes. Even, children, the beautiful flowers which has fragrance, from that we make perfumes which you or your mama papa uses during when you are going for party. Not this is not enough. There is more about trees. From the bark of the trees we make woods, and from that wood we make different kind of furniture. Even whatever we are wearing, dress, we get it from the cotton, and cotton we get it from a plant, cotton plant. So tree and sun both are our friends. We should take care of our nature. So now children, look at this picture. In this picture you have to color the sun yellow. You have to color the sun yellow, and you have to color the tree leaves with green color. You have to color the leaves and sun very nicely into one direction. You are going to do the color, and the color should not go out. You have to remember while you are doing the coloring that the color should not go out. So children, next we are going to see another interesting topic. And before starting it, let us see some pictures. Wow, what a beautiful sandwich is this. It's yummy, right? Club sandwich. Do you love to eat club sandwich? Let's see what are there in this sandwich. Yes, some spinach. Some leaves are there. Celery leaves. Then some onions, tomatoes, olives, some bread, cheese. Wow, yummy sandwich. Oh, wow, so many nice foods. Burger, lasagna, then kebabs, then yummy egg poaches, pasta, pakoda, mushroom, juices. And what's this? Tofu salad. Oh wow, so many interesting things. Now which picture is this? Wow. Children, do you love to eat vegetables and fruits? Do you know why ma'am is showing you these pictures? Yes, we all love to eat foods, right? But we should not eat unhealthy food. So now the picture which you are seeing, this picture is all about healthy foods. Healthy food means the fruits and vegetables which at home we cook it nicely. Your mama cook it very well and make sandwiches for you, burgers for you at home. It's really very good and healthy because mama knows what is good for us, which things are good for our health. So mama is cooking that food. Now let's see the next picture. I know this is your favorite thing. Chocolates, toffees, candies. But you know, eating too much of this is not good for our health. Even you can have cavity in your teeth. So, whenever you are eating chocolates, ice creams, or any kind of food, you should wash your mouth. And in a whole day, you should brush your teeth twice, once in the morning and once when you are going before bedtime. So now one more picture is there. Let's see what is here. Okay, French fries, then cookies, then ice cream sundae, then burger. So yummy food. And when you go out, you eat this kind of food, right? But children, when we are going out, we are having this kind of food. These foods are known as junk food or unhealthy food because you know these are not cooked properly. So if your mama is cooking for you, like if she is making French fries, if she is making sandwiches, burger, you should eat that. That is more healthy than of this outside or junk food, because in this kind of junk foods the oils what has been used is not very good for our health. So there are some pictures when I'm talking to you. There are many pictures of different kinds of candies and chocolates and ice cream. We should not eat so much of this kind of thing. Now let's see another picture. And what are there? Egg, broccoli, cupcake, pizza, chips, apple, almond, French fries, soda, cookies, banana and donut. Can you tell me in these which are the healthy food? So let us circle. Let's see. I think you know. Egg, broccoli, then cupcake, pizza, chips, apple, yes. Almonds, yes. French fries, no. Soda, no. Cookies, no, not at all. Banana, yes, of course, very healthy. Donut, So moving on to the next picture. See this beautiful picture and let us see which foods are healthy. Grapes, banana, then carrot, corn, then what's this? Orange, then almond, cucumber, tomato, strawberry. These are really healthy food. Now let us play a game. You all love to play a game. So now tell me, which food am I? Or which vegetable am I? Or which fruit am I? This is the thing. Eat as fried, boiled or scrambled. Eat as fried, boiled or scrambled. Yeah, tell me, which food am I? Let's see the answer. I am potato. Next one. Are you enjoying? Let's see the next game. I am white. I make your coffee sweet. Who am I? Who am I? I am sugar. Okay. Now I can see some school objects are there. Let's see what are this. Crayons, erasers, paintbrush, colors, pencils, scissors, then bags, computer, calculator. Can these things speak? No. Can these things fly? No. Can you eat these things? No. So, these are the things which we can't eat. So, let's see, we have to do a picture. In this page, you have to circle the food items. And what are the food items? Burger, egg, and juice. Thank you for today.